Those are Safetran lights, but instead of the GE uniform LEDs, these are Leotek LEDs, like the ones that are seen on the WC Hayes crossings. Most of the gateless flashers on Norfolk Southern in Ohio, you'll either see GE uniform LEDs or the original incandescent lights, or 8-inch or a 12 by 24-inch incandescents. These are examples of Safetran light mechanisms, but they have Leotek LEDs. I think that's what it's called, if I pronounce it correctly. I'll edit it in my video description. This is a southbound intermodal heading along this old Pennsylvania Railroad right-of-way. In 1964, this line became part of the Norfolk and Western Railway. 1982 saw the Norfolk Southern take over the Southern Railway and the Norfolk and Western Railway Company. So if you go back to your rail history books, it takes a lot of digging and figuring it out. He's got a few more crossings to blow. Had to put the window up just a little bit because the K5LLA horn was pretty loud. Actually, my bad, it's Leotek. These are examples of Leotek LED lights installed inside of Safetran light covers. Got some double stacks coming this way, as you can see here. This line also goes parallel to the CSX line, the ex-New York Central line up near Worthington before it crosses over near Colonial Hills, just adjacent to the Ohio Railway Museum trackage, which was once part of the Columbus, Delaware, Marion Railway built in 1903. I'll have to look back and do some research on this old Pennsylvania Railroad line. Turn the lights down a little bit because got some people coming this way. I don't want to blind them. But you get a little bit of some good light colors in the background of this train, a little bit of changes in light patterns. And here comes the end of the train here. No pushers, but I see some empty container cars on the back end. Let's see what kind of cars you got. Yep, empty container cars. As soon as the last of these cars cross, these signals should deactivate anytime soon. Unless another train comes along. There you have it, folks. Safe trip to the southbound intermodal crew heading towards Chillicothe on Pennsylvania Railroad right-of-way. End of train device flashing, also known as your FRED, flashing red end of train device. Other than that, no caboose. Safe trip to the crew. NS Steampunk reporting here in Circleville. Tower 93, over and out.